lesson, we're going to solve linear equations with fractions and brackets. Here's our example. Take a moment to look at the equation. Let's solve this step by step by first clearing the fractions. First, we find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 6, which is 6. If you're unsure how to find the lowest common multiple, watch the lesson linked here before continuing. Next, we multiply both sides of the equation by 6 to clear the fractions. On the left side, 6 divided by 3 is 2, so we get 2 times x plus 2. On the right side, 6 divided by 6 is 1, so we are left with x minus 1. So now the equation becomes 2 times x plus 2 equals x minus 1. Next, expand the bracket. 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 2 is 4. So we get 2x plus 4 equals x minus 1. Now subtract x from both sides to bring the variables together. We subtract x since x is smaller than 2x. This helps keep the variable positive. On the left, 2x minus x becomes x. On the right, x minus x cancels out, leaving negative 1. So we get x plus 4 equals negative 1. Next, subtract 4 from both sides to isolate x. On the left, the 4 cancels out. On the right, negative 1 minus 4 gives negative 5. So x equals negative 5. Let's check the solution. Substitute x equals negative 5 into the equation. The left side becomes negative 1 and the right side is also negative 1. Since both sides are equal, the solution is correct. Now it's your turn to try. Solve this equation by first clearing the fractions, then expanding the brackets. Pause the video and come back when you're ready. Now, let's go through the solution. First, find the lowest common multiple of 4 and 2, which is 4. Next, multiply both sides of the equation by 4 to clear the fractions. On the left side, 4 divided by 4 is 1, so we are left with x plus 3. On the right side, 4 divided by 2 is 2, so we get 2 times x minus 2. So now the equation becomes x plus 3 equals 2 times x minus 2. Next, expand the bracket. 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So we get x plus 3 equals 2x minus 4. Now, subtract x from both sides to bring the variables together. On the left, x minus x cancels out, leaving 3. On the right, 2x minus x becomes x. So we get 3 equals x minus 4. Next, add 4 to both sides. On the left, 3 plus 4 is 7. So we get 7 equals x. Let's check the solution. Substitute x equals 7. Both sides simplify to 5 over 2, so the answer is correct. And that's how we solve equations with fractions and brackets. Remember, clear the fractions first, then expand and solve. Check out the next lesson for more practice.